Traveling is a delightful trip with family, close relatives, and friends. However, if you only have a limited budget, you must know how to save money when traveling. You have to realize that traveling does require a lot of expenses, especially when traveling abroad. If you are not very good at managing expenses, you can end up spending a lot of money. This article will teach you how you can still enjoy a pleasant vacation with the people closest to you with limited money. The key is to save a budget and use money as needed. Save money when traveling. For those who want to go on a trip, here are tips to save money while traveling. 1. Make detailed travel plans. The first best way to save money when traveling with family is to make detailed travel plans. Detailing your travel plans from the start will give you lots of important information to save money. You also have plenty of time to get important information from a travel agency. You can get information about cheap tickets at the travel agent, markets that provide cheap goods, tourist attractions near ends, cheap places to eat, etc. You still have much other important information that you can find on the internet. You can also ask for information from friends who have come to the place you are going to. Make detailed travel plans. 2. Take care of everything yourself. Currently, many travel agencies offer assistance for travel arrangements, from making visas, booking airline tickets, hotels, tourist attractions, etc. If you want to use the services of a travel agent, to save on travel costs, you should arrange your own visa without the help of a travel agent. However, if you want to travel independently, you can save money when booking airline tickets, hotels, etc. 3. Order airline tickets online. Ordering flight tickets online is also a way to save money when traveling. Currently, many online stores provide online tickets. They also often provide attractive offers such as discounts, etc. Online ticket orderers usually provide flight ticket information from various airlines along with their prices and departure times. That way you can choose the cheapest one. To avoid price increases, you should book tickets in advance, for example, 3 months before departure. Also, you should avoid ordering airline tickets during holidays or weekends because the prices tend to be higher. If there is an option to choose a seat number, you should not choose it as it may incur additional costs. Also, don't carry large quantities of items to avoid costs increase. You should choose the morning ticket or the first flight so that your itinerary on that day doesn't change too much if there is a delay. Order airline tickets online. 4. Book all tickets in advance. Apart from ordering airline tickets, you also need several tickets when you arrive at your destination. The tickets are such as bus tickets, certain events, bicycles, and car rentals, etc. Ordering tickets in advance can also be free from penalties when you have to cancel them. Another advantage, the tickets are also cheaper, even when you are lucky you can get a discount. 5. Look for hotels at standard rates. Save money when traveling can also be done by avoiding luxury hotels. To reduce lodging costs, you can stay at a hostel, or guest house. Although the rates for this type of lodging are equivalent to hotels, in general, the rates are lower than hotels. Another advantage of staying at a guest house, for example, is that you can cook by yourself. This, of course, really saves the money you spend. 6. Choose simple restaurant. Choosing to eat at expensive restaurants will certainly burden your travel budget. To save on your travel costs, you should find a place to eat that the locals usually go to. Choose simple restaurant. In short, eat like a local eats. This will really help save on travel costs. Of course, it's not a ban on eating at fancy restaurants, but you shouldn't eat at expensive restaurants often if the budget is limited. However, if you want to eat at a local restaurant, look for a restaurant with a price list and menu. Eating at local food stalls without a price list is a high risk. The owner will usually increase the price when there are tourists who eat at his place. 7. Shop at local recommendations. You are eating like a local eats and shopping at the places recommended by local people. So, before going on a trip, make sure you have local friends you can trust. That way you can get recommendations for where to buy souvenirs at lower prices. However, You should not ask just anyone at a tourist spot. If you ask the wrong person, you will get a higher price. 8. Take advantage of credit card promos. To save money while traveling, you can take advantage of your promos and credit card points if you are a credit card holder. The amount and type of promo given depend on the credit card you are using. For example, if you need cash, you should exchange it at a bank to make it more reliable. Take advantage of credit card promos. 9. Travel with friends. Traveling with friends in a group can provide big discounts when booking tickets, lodging, and tourist attractions. If you have many friends who are interested in traveling, you should plan a trip together. Thus, the trip will be more exciting and save more expenses. That is the review of ways to save money when traveling with your family. The method above relates to basic needs when traveling, so you need to pay close attention. Hopefully, this article is useful and has a good vacation.